Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can open recycle bin photos on the Samsung. For example, with your camera app, if you click a picture and by mistake if you deleted few of the pictures from your gallery, so this is the gallery app, so I'm just opening the gallery app. So by mistake if you delete any picture, for example I'm just going to delete one picture, and I'll show you how you can get this back from the recycle bin. See here, there will be option like move to recycle bin. So that grapes picture I just deleted, so you want that picture back again. Actually for every mobile manufacturer the options are the option of recycle bin will be available. For Samsung I'll show you how it is available. So down you'll find the three dots here, and here you'll find the recycle bin. Click on this recycle bin, and this is what the recently deleted picture. So I'll be showing you again. Yeah, see here, when you open the gallery you'll have four options: pictures, albums, stories, and these three lines. You need to click on these three lines, and here you'll find recycle bin. Tap on this recycle bin, and here you'll find the deleted photos. Remember one thing, only 30 days before deleted pictures will be available here. If the deleted picture is over the period of 30 days, that will even deleted on the gets deleted on the recycle bin also. And this is the Portronics wireless mouse for my laptop. I purchased this on Flipkart for 300. If possible I'll attach this, you can check it. And this is my Realme mobile. Realme also has this. Just you need to click on the gallery, and here you will be finding this albums option. Under albums option, the last one is the deleted option. So in this way you can even open the recycle bin and find the valuable deleted photos. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.